created both great and small, the visible, invisible, the heights, the depths, the farthest corners of our galaxies. You have read about creation theories, Darwinism, creationism, intelligent design, well, reincarnation, and many more. But listen.
Now I have to attest that God gave me a test. When I observe the rest, on that day I'll be the best. No doubt I am impressed. This day indeed is blessed. Can't keep this to my chest. Overjoyed when it is kept. Now the earth was dark and empty. God said, let there be the light. God saw that the light was good. Mighty God called it the first day. And the water was everywhere. God said, let it separate. Down his arm, up there too. Marvelous wake on the second day. On the dry land it was bare. God said, let there be the greens. Red, blue, black, brown, orange fruits. All the healing from the trees. God had a good plan to rest, but there was no clock for men. So he hung the sun and moon, stars to tell the time of day. Well, sharks, jumbo, endorphins, eagles, owls, and hummingbirds, swimming, flying, no GPS. And he saw that it was good. All the cattle on the hills, and all came in the forest wild. God formed man and gave him life, man became a living soul. Now I have to attest that God gave me a test. When I observe the rest, on that day I'll be the best. No doubt I am impressed. This day indeed is blessed. Can't keep this to my chest. Overjoyed when it is kept. Now I have to attest that God gave me a test. When I observe the rest, on that day I'll be the best. No doubt I am impressed. This day indeed is blessed. Can't keep this to my chest. Overjoyed when it is kept. Now I have to attest that God gave me a test. When I observe the rest,